racing just is started. We have has Halo break quickly at the start. Moving up this if it go. Bini down on the inside, full of action. Mia Ball Charlie Spotless comes next. Muskrat while Mapagtiis is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have full of action by about 2 lengths. Has Halo in second. Alongside comes Dissipit. Then followed her by Gobini. Next on lies Muskradami. Ball Charlie's faultless second last while Mapagtiis still racing in last. Back to the leader. We have full of action by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second, Dissipit has Halo. Then here comes Gobini. Now moving up on the outside. Then next on line is Muskrad. Amiable Charles comes next, faultless. While Mapagtiis is still racing in last. And as they swing for home, we have Dissipit moving up on the outside. Now is Gobini. Has Halo is down on the inside with about 100 meters up. That is Dissipit. Gobini moving up on the outside. Dissipit. It's now Go Bini, and finally Go Bini. Dissipate has Halo, full of action, faultless.